Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can change the permission related to reports. So suppose there is one of the team where you want to assign that they may be able to go ahead and just check few of the reports. So how you can define it? You need to go in access management module. First of all, on your left hand side, you will get access management module. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in access management, please go on three dots and you will see permission option. Click on the permission option. Now, once you will come in the permission segment, please hover a little below. Here you will see the report segment. So as you can see that particularly for reports, we have provided multiple permission through which you can define that which report they may be able to see. So please check. Here you will get view report option. So you can assign them that they may be able to check the financial report, GST report, dispatch report, general report, or going below, if I may go ahead and say, you can define that they may be able to see purchase and sales related report, also the payments module and edit network. So accordingly, you can go ahead and make changes. Like suppose you don't want some of the team to go ahead and check the financial report and GST reporting. So you can simply just remove this permission, and then after going above, you can save this permission. So accordingly, that particular team will not be able to go ahead and check those financial and GST related reports. Same you can do with the sales and purchase report as well. I do hope that this video will be helpful to you while setting up permission related to reports. Have a good day ahead.